Guys, welcome to another video. Today we're playing Slap Tower 2. We're gonna beat the Slap Tower 2. Okay. Let's just get this Yo! Yo! Okay, let's just finish this. I'm gonna get piano. Okay guys, let's beat the lobby. Oh, really? Hey guys. Oh, sorry. Oh, thank you. We're gonna troll people today and finish the game. Oh my god, fake yok. Tuwara di dog. Okay, let's go up there again. Let's go up there again. Okay, I just see yok walk to the wall. Okay guys, let's go. Sorry, I fell. Use especially slow attack. Troll people. Oh, I can't even hit them. Super spicy. Okay guys, let's go up to the troll bottom one. Don't get bad luck. Okay guys, I'm here again. Oh my god, not you again. And not... No. Please. I don't wanna die. Sekarang gusti mes. Sekarang gusti ake turun iki. Oh my god, the bro, but admin. How much is the admin? 1,500. Bro, I'm broke. Dude, just bought it instantly. Do like this, do like this, do like that. Oh. No, why am I here? Norway. Okay, guys. Alam niya na. Let's troll people. Joke lang yan. My friend is an admin on the game, so I don't even care. I just want friends. I just want friends. Oh, no. I don't wanna get. I don't wanna fall again. Right over here. Right over here again. Right over here. Okay. Okay, guys. This one. Wait, guys. Can you do this? Oh, no. Because I can. No. Dude, I'm almost there. Maybe not. Not almost there because I'm nothing. Nothing, guys. It's my... Okay. Oh, no. Okay, let's go up there again. Super spatty. Love attack. Oh. Tama na yung natin. You get out. Oh, no. Okay, guys. Lock in. Get out of my face. Get out. I will face reveal in 200 subs. That's a promise. Oh my god, no. Oh, I didn't fall. Maybe next year, maybe. If I get 200 subscribe. Oh yeah. Dude, don't say that. Sorry guys, my brother. I'm gonna take out of the trash because that's what I'm gonna do. He do that every day. If the trash, if the has been returned, look lang the track. I can't really do this, but let's try. Okay. Oh, let's go guys! I did it. First try. Dude, you can do it's first try. Don't believe me? Rewind the video. It's my brother. He was playing. She was angry because he's middle of the game. He's on middle of the game, so she's pretty angry at that. He's not angry at me because we post videos together and we happy. Oh my god, Diamond's there, guys. Wait, guys, I'm there. Wait, guys, this is so goddamn. Oh man, I fell. I don't wanna fall again. Yes, I did it. I won't do that pala. I just noticed that for 2 years. I've been Roblox on since 5 years now. Oh my, this is my arch nemesis. This thing. No! Sorry guys, I can beat this. So, bye.